Hi, this is Robin Moses. I'm here with Guru, and we are starting this tutorial with a Sally Hansen, let me find it, Golden Eye, number 485. Just a beautiful basic gold. Now I'm going in with some Wildflowers chrome that reflects, it looks like purple and gold and bronze. I don't know what it is, but it's like that beetle color. It's very hard. I don't have the names on this. I wish that each little side piece on the side, from the side, I wish I had a name on it, because then I can help define it. But it is the third one down in the chromes. So I have her brush as well, right here, that little fluffy brush. And I'm going on the ends with the chrome, like this, and ombreing some chrome on there. And what that's going to do is it's going to put some pink and some green and some purple. And I can go up as high as I like to, just a little tiny bit. But I want to leave the cuticle like a little bit untouched and just gold. And then more chrome towards the end. And there we go. And when it's done, it's just chromey on the ends. And I'll meet you back. Okay, so now I'm going to use acrylic paint. Okay, so there is my acrylic paint. It is apple barrel paint. You can buy it at the craft store. So I get a million questions about that, and I think I answer it in every video, but apparently I don't. And I have done this tutorial just for you guys. So I have all of my chrome on. Now I'm going in with the black acrylic paint, and I don't have a lot of water added to it. It's pretty dense. I'm going around the cuticle, just barely, 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 barely. And when I'm done, it'll be all like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, and here's why. So I've loaded my brush. It is the Robin Moses Nail Art wand. It is my liner brush. And I take my brush, and I push little dots in, create an anchor, pull up, create another anchor, and pull. And then I'll do a little tiny one, and a little tiny one. And then, with my brush, I will push and pull up, push and pull up, and then I will go push and pull up, push and pull up, push. And then you'll see how it kind of crackles over the lines I've created. Now, it's because I used a regular polish and then I put chrome over the top. You sometimes get wrinkles like this. Okay? Now you can kind of wipe out a lot of the wrinkles when you get to a certain point of the nail polish drying. See how I can pull out most of the wrinkles? But you really don't have to. So I'm going to keep on to. I took the wrinkles out of this one, but you don't really have to. But you want to push, pull up, and then you want a real tiny stripe like this. And thanks. And then I went in, pulled down, and then you just want little spikies coming out. The illusion that we have the bamboo here. And when it comes together, you'll start to see here. This is when it's all finished. So I want to get some light on here. There we go. Now, when you get it done, you'll have the chrome here and the regular polish near the cuticle. So it's going to be like kind of little sparklies, and then it's going to go into chrome, and then it's going to have these really abstracty looking bamboos over the top of it. Then I'm going to top coat, but you could top coat this with a matte and get a whole different look. I'm going to top coat with a regular top coat, but if you top coat this chrome top, it will be stunning. So I'm going to finish this out, and I might even add, oh goodness, I might even add a little bit of this to it. This is a Reflex bronze and purple, and it's by if you've got it, haunt it. It's the new glitter from Halloween this year at Rite Aid. I think it was $1.99. But if you put just a little bit of this, I'm thinking to myself quickly, I was like, do I have any Reflex bronze and purple glitter? And I was like, oh, I just bought some. So up in the top, if you just put a little bit of glitter where the regular polish is coming in, that could also hide some of your streaks. If you have a design, if you did chrome and you got a whole bunch of lines in it, this is the perfect design to do. That's what I was trying to do, is I was trying to make a design that was chromy, but also you can fix if you have cracks, because a lot of people have written to me when I do a chrome tutorial and they say, Robin, I do chrome and every time it cracks, it's not level, it's not this, it's not that. And there's a lot of flaws in chrome, but art is what you make it. And you can do this so many different ways that you can cover up all of your mistakes, and it really is hit and miss. But you start to get an idea of what you can fix and what you can't. And chrome is an easy one to kind of fix. So there is with a little tiny bit of glitter in there. See how it covered all the cracks and just gave it more dimension? So I'll finish this out and meet you back. Okay, so here is the end result. Let me zoom you in here. So these are highly reflective, but so pretty. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to put in a little bit. I have a little bit of the champagne gold. Oh, I have quite the. There we go. Is that too bright? Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, so there it is. It's a champagne. Now with the top coat on, I'm going to go in for a second level of bamboo with the gold, like this, and fill my brush up like this, just to where it's on the top. Carl. Like that, and then just add dimension, and that really will pop them. After I'm done adding the dimension onto there, covering up more wrinkles, and at the same time adding dimension, you just get more and more effects to where they start looking like glass or shards. So they have this very beautiful, like, Japanese art feel to them, but also like glass at the same time. It's very interesting. So anyways, I'll meet you back with the finished product. Okay, and here is the end result, and with the top coats, and all the cracks are all covered and beautiful. As soon as I start talking, Carl wants inside, so that's what you hear. Anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please subscribe. If you like it, please leave a like and a comment, and I will see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Thank you for moving them around. Happy, what is this? Happy fall days.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Bye, guys.
Bye.